guys, welcome to another video of Origami World. Today we will learn to make this beautiful flower. This is called a lily. So let's get started. So I have taken a origami paper. You can take a craft paper or an A4 size sheet, but make sure you use a square paper. So first of all, we need to make preparations fold. Like this on the other side. Now turn over and make a fold like this. Now do the same on the other side. Your paper will look like this. Now turn over and you can first make a model like this and make the creases. Now open it up and then turn it over like this. Now you need to fold it on these lines like this. Your model will look like this from all the sides. Now you need to make squash folds. Fold them like this and make sure that this line meets this line. Do the same on the other sides. Now your model will look like this on all the sides. So now you have to make aeroplane folds right about here to this line like this. Now repeat on all the other lines. Now your model will look like this. Now you need to reverse the sides like this. Lift this and then put these flaps inside and then close the side. Now do the same creases on all the other sides. Now you need to fold your model like this. Take out a plain side on both the sides and do a fold to the middle line like this. Make sure you're doing it from the closed edge. Now repeat on all the other sides. Okay, so now your model will look like this on all the other sides. So now you have to peel the sides about this much. You can make creases. Like this, and now open them all. And now you can either use a pencil or a pen, and you have to peel them off until the lines you just created. Like this. So friends, our origami lily is complete. So I have inserted a straw right here. To do that, you just need a simple sheet of paper. You have to roll the sheet of paper from a corner. Note that you don't have to do it from here. Like this. I have stuck glue right at the edge, so now you need to insert it right through this end point, like or you can either do it with a pencil if it doesn't pierce, like this. And now you just have to insert it right over here. And now make sure that the green tube is not visible. And now you have to apply glue over here. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a nice day.